Hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful evening. So I have some eggplant, put in the pot, turn on the fire much stronger. Put in cooking oil, 3 tablespoons, and time to say hello. Hello. Bye bye. Hello. Bye bye. Cover it up. Let it cook for a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will turn it. Do not turn it, stir it immediately. You let the heat start to work a little bit. Okay? 2 minutes later, I will see you. Okay, let's take a look. 2 minutes later, let's take a look. Oh, a little bit burned. Now we put in some flavoring, black bean paste, cooking oil, cooking one. What I'm cooking. Okay, I will put the fire a bit stronger and put some water. I use strong fire because there is a lot of water in it. Another 5 minutes. See you later, alligator. 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. Very thin, very thin. Put a little bit of it. You can see the fungi mushroom stew.